distinguished Ajits. I reported to Sainik School on 17th August and took over finally on 20th August 2007. I was in Delhi before coming to Sainik School, and my first introduction with the Ajit was with Commodore, now getting promoted, R.M. Purandare. Extremely well you all are doing. I was always wishing at the earliest that I should meet all of you personally, and Davangere Chector has given me this opportunity to meet all of you directly one-to-one. And for that reason, I had brought my cadets of 12th standard to meet all of you and see how well their seniors are doing in their life. And we in the school, we are aware of the fact that all of you are doing so well, and the reputation of this school is built upon your exploits. We acknowledge with humility the contribution of each one of you towards building up the reputation of your school over the last 4 years. Education, like the establishment of a language lab, upgradation of computer lab with 30 computers, all Pentium 4. We are acquiring the subject CDs to augment the classroom interactions. We are purchasing all the books which are required by the cadets through library funds, so that there is no dearth of the reading material for the preparation for various exams, be it professional, be it educational. We are providing them all infrastructure or material to prepare for their exams. We have also resorted to identification of weak students. In the very exam, we identify they are being given personalized coaching by the respective teachers. And here, while on the stage, it gives me great pleasure to inform you that with the persistent help from Ajits, the school has received 126 Pentium computers and 10 laptops, and more PCs are on the way with your help. You will be glad to know that all students of class 10, 11 and 12 have access to supervised internet, including the staff, and we encourage them to take up projects based on their teaching subject or the general subjects also, and the boys are doing well. The motivation and the help to do these projects. As you are aware, the development of infrastructure is an ongoing process, and the school gets funds from the government of Karnataka, and the work is done by local PWD. And with the funds which are available from the government, we have initiated certain projects. They will take some time, maybe within next year. Most of the projects will be completed. The very important was being that we want to provide the solar water heaters in all the hostels so that the children can have bath early in the morning. We have taken other projects about the water purifying plants, which will be installed in the Adam block and in the mess, so that the school can grow further. As you are aware, we get grant from the government. The government of Karnataka has been very kind to provide us most of the grant, but there are some technical problems that for certain projects the grants do not come through. The one of them which we have been feeling for a long time, the school doesn't have any ambulance. Any boy who gets hurt or he needs urgent treatment, we have got a jeep which is very old. Sometimes there is no proper place for the patient to lie down, and we find it difficult to carry him to the hospital. So, standing in front of you, may I request a help from you if an ambulance can be provided to the school. The second point, we have got a guest house which is Ajit Bhavan, which is not very properly furnished. We need certain funds. I will request anybody can come forward. If it is there, we will certainly put up a proposal to you for furnishing of Ajit Bhavan. as you are aware, the government of Karnataka gives us scholarship. The full scholarship at presently is rupees 14,000 for a year, and they give us about 500 scholarship, including all other scholarship. 560 students are getting scholarship. Somebody is getting full 14,000, somebody is getting less than that. Our strength at present is 620 border students. All of them recently, and he was very kind enough that he has already sent me all the money required for the session 2007-8. Thank all the Ajits, especially the organizers of this wonderful and meaningful meet, for having given me an opportunity to be here with you. On behalf of entire Sainik family, I also wish to convey our greetings for the Christmas and New Year, and thank each one of you for your love and concern for your alma mater. Thank you very much.